Want to change the search engine on Google Chrome for your mobile device? Follow this simple guide to customize your browsing experience. Launch the Google Chrome app on your mobile device. Now we need to access the settings. Tap on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen to open the menu. Tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Search Engine. You'll see a list of available search engines, such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, and others. Tap on the one you want to set as your default search engine. Once you've selected your preferred search engine, simply exit the settings, and your choice will be saved automatically. Now, whenever you search from the address bar in Google Chrome, it will use the search engine you selected. I selected Yahoo, and you can see yahoo.com in the address bar. That's it for this video. Enjoy browsing. Subscribe for more smart and simple tutorials.